We're talking with the Carroll boys at Shuttle Hurdle Relay Team Champions here at the Raccoon River Conference today. Let's start off with the first guy that ran today, the opening leg, Josh Lambert. So Josh, how did you feel like the thing went for you today?
It went well for me. All I had to do was attack the first hurdle and kept the lead from there, and these guys just kept going with it.
Good start for you, get out of the blocks cleanly?
Went out of the blocks as hard as I could. Did better than I normally do, so it started off well.
You saw some guys in some of the earlier races DQ1 on the start. Did that get into your mind at all?
I didn't think about it at all.
Did you feel like you ran a crisp race, got all over all the hurdles the way you wanted?
I just about every single hurdle, and today I didn't hit one, so that helped out a lot.
Do you know what your split was yet?
14.85, I think.
14.85. What's that compared to what you've been doing this year?
I used to do like a 15.3.
So you cut down some time today. What was it maybe that made it smoother? Was it just getting over the hurdles clean?
Start, not hitting hurdles.
Is this weather conducive for you guys to be able to run in?
It's nice for me.
What was the thought process coming into the race for you guys today? Was that the main goal? Had you guys not beaten them yet this year?
We ran against them at Jefferson. They beat us like 2 hurdles or so.
All right, Josh, congratulations. Let's talk now with Nate O'Brien and Nate, second leg today. When you saw how Josh was doing as you were getting ready, what was kind of going through your mind?
I felt good because I had a lead going into what Josh already did. And when I finished, I felt like I did what I was supposed to because I knew that Boone kid was a fast three-stepper, and that when I stayed with him, I knew that I did what I was supposed to.
Speaking of the technique, I heard some of the girls go by as I was coming over to talk to you guys talking about the technique you guys use. Do you guys all use the same technique, and what technique do you use?
Well, we all usually try focus on exchanges a lot because we want to get it as fast out of the box as we can, and also just form, snapping your leg over, trying to get just the fastest time you can.
Did you feel like you got off to a good start? I know you felt good going in the lead, but did you feel like you got out of the, not really the blocks, but going well?
Yeah, I felt like I did all right. I mean, I ran about a mid-15, and it's pretty decent for what I've been running, and I was just happy that I could give it into Peyton in a steady chance to win.
What do you feel like the strength of this team's been this year?
I'd say probably our just the way that we've developed over the year. We probably went faster and faster and faster, and been able to get over hurdles without clipping them or anything, and just doing good.
Well, Nate, congratulations, great job today. Thanks for joining us. Peyton Renning joining us now. Peyton, how did you feel like things went for you today?
I felt like I ran really good today, really fast with the wind, kind of helped too, and it was just, I hit a couple hurdles and towards the end, but I still felt like I ran pretty good today.
Any nerves being in the lead when you start off, or would you rather be in the lead and not see somebody out in front of you?
I think I'd rather be in the lead just to keep that lead because I feel like I can do pretty good over in the lead. So,
did you feel anybody gaining on you, or was it so focused that it was just you and the hurdles?
I kind of felt the Boone kid gaining on next to me, so I just tried to get going faster and just keep ahead of him the whole time.
You know, you said you clipped a couple today. Didn't ever get yourself off balance. How were you able to kind of stay in rhythm even with the clicks of the hurdles?
Well, I'm kind of used to clipping hurdles with my lead leg, so that kind of helps when you're used to doing that. So you just got to keep your balance and try to get the next hurdle.
What's been the strength for you in the hurdles this year?
Well, just that I'm three-stepping. I'm so young for freshman, and so I think that helps me a lot.
Have you leaned on these guys quite a bit this year for kind of like advice and stuff coming in as a freshman?
Yeah, especially Josh since he's a senior. Kind of helps out with the hurling stuff.
What's some of the advice he's given you?
Just like snap your lead leg down in front, get to the next hurdle as fast as you can.
Well, I tell you what, Peyton, thank you very much. Congratulations. Let's move over now with Isaac Rizzleman. Isaac, how did you feel like the anchor leg went for you today?
I feel it went really good. It was fast. I got out of the blocks good, which really never happens for me because I'm not very good out of the blocks, but I got over all the hurdles cleanly, fast, and it was just a great race.
What was the difference for you getting out of the blocks today? Did anything change?
I think it's the atmosphere. I just felt like it was more, like there's more energy here than in most of our races this year, and I think that's what got me going.
Did you hear the crowd then coming down the backstretch there as you were finishing up the race? Because I could hear them. They were yelling. The race was relatively close, even though you looked like you were kind of putting some distance between you and the guy from Boone.
Yeah, I could hear them, and that's what I think that's what pushes me most is when I can hear the crowd yelling, and that kind of tells me where the guy is behind me, and it just tells me if he's close or if he's far back.
As you're watching Peyton come down the track, what's going through your mind as you're focusing on what you need to do?
The first thing that normally goes through my mind is to see if we have a lead or if we're really close. And we were pretty close there when he got to the line, and then basically it was just getting out of the blocks as fast as possible and attacking that first hurdle and making clean hurdles all the way down.
Where in his part of the race do you kind of get down and get yourself set?
I get down around the third or second to last hurdle, and that way I'm not down there too long and can start like getting tight and everything, so I try and stay loose as much as possible.
Now you guys said the goal today was to beat Boone. Who else here? Is there anybody else here that had pushed you guys this year that kind of helped motivate you today?
Yeah, ADM pushed us a little bit there, but Boone was still our biggest worry today.
Well, guys, congratulations. An outstanding run for all four of you today. I appreciate you joining us. Thank you very much.
Thanks. Yep.